Sparring time! Oh look, Mituka was moving and trying to hide somewhere. I've been thinking a lot whether I should post the whole sparring program or not. After all, we are creating our own history. Why not? If you want to find out, watch till the end. I wonder, Bro Tatusen and Mac Sensei, what were they talking about? Oh, oh, Mac Sensei found me. What shall I do? What shall I do? What shall I do? I don't know anything. Always ran away from sparring. Oh my goodness. Will I be okay? Let's have a look. Pro tattoo ဆန်ကတော့ဘယ်သူမှမစသေးခင်နေရစပြီevery sparring he's ever ready bro ကောင်းနိုင်လင်းနဲ့ bro tattoo ဆန်ကတော့ဘသူဆက်ဆမဆက်ဆ sparring စနေပါပြီမိတုခကတော့စိတ်တွေလှုပ်ရှားနေပါပြီတန့်စင်ဆန်းစီကလည်းအားလုံး ready ဖြစ်အောင်လို့အားလုံး ready လား ready လားအတွဲရပြီလားနဲ့လိုက်မေးနေတာ oh my goodness အရင်နေစိတ်တွေလှုပ်ရှားနေပါပြီစပါပြီ
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is
すごいですね How did he do that? I was trying to do Americana, but it wasn't successful because of my arm and my shoulder. Left arm and shoulder was in pain because of my chronic injury. Another thing that I noticed was he stretched his arm very straight. That was so powerful, so I couldn't move him at all. But he taught me Kimura and he let me do Kimura instead. Kimura succeed. Thank you, Mac Sensei. Me pass. Mac Sensei was teaching me every details. It was marvelous. He didn't let me give up every time I tried to let go. I'm humbled by the privilege of training with you, Max Sensei. Your expertise and guidance have left a lasting impact on me, and I feel incredibly privileged to have been under your tutelage. In fact, Mac Sensei was teaching me throughout sparring. Absolutely honor sparring with you, Mac Sensei. Once again, thank you so much. Amber succeed. Thank you, Mac Sensei. Dancing Sensei and every one of our BJJ training partners express heartfelt gratitude for the invaluable seminar. It has been an incredible learning experience for all of us. Domo arigato, Max Sensei. If he was successful, there was a rare choke, but I didn't let him. I protected myself, and he said, "Very good. Yay!" Why do I still learning BJJ? However, I am a germaphobe and I really don't like to be touched by people or sweaty people. In fact, I have so many phobias. After all, we all are survivors. All living beings are survivors. However, if we know how to protect ourselves, it is much better rather than we do things blindly. If we know the right way how to protect ourselves, we have a better chance to survive. That's why I practice Brazilian Jiu Jitsu. Not only Brazilian Jiu Jitsu, I try to be a survivor. I'm trying to be a fighter regardless of anything. I know in our Myanmar community, people may not understand, and this grappling is very unusual. And people may be saying like, I should practice with women. Why gender? I'm not a woman. I'm a human. Why can't people see me as a human? Red choke, succeed. Max Sensei let me do the red choke. Hontoni arigato, Max Sensei.